way. That's great. This is gonna be so cringe. I can like feel it. This is my YouTube channel. Ew. Ew. A little bit about me. I'm at Stevenson. I'm a junior, digital marketing, hence me having to make videos. I'll be doing this like twice a week on YouTube, probably like the weekend. This is my setup. So like, we're on a college budget. My friends provided the tripod. Very nice. Thank you, Luba and Andrea. Thanks for the tripod. Have one at home, just didn't think I'd be making YouTube videos, so didn't bring it. As YouTubers would say, let's dive into this video. So the video, I'll be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Right now, I'm barefaced, I look like a boy. I do not show my face like this in public, so this is like a big step that I'm showing YouTube, because that's like the internet. But yeah, this is like no makeup, like I look like I'm 12. Try not to look like I'm 12. We're gonna see how this goes because I've never done makeup without a mirror and I don't know. Can't see myself, so don't know how it will turn out. This is like horrifying, not knowing what you look like on camera. Okay, so usually I would put on eye primer and face primer, but I'm not gonna do this because I know it's gonna turn out horrible and I'm gonna take it right off, so might as well not make it like stick on there more.
Oh my god, this is terrifying.
So I start with concealer. I do concealer before and after foundation. I just like no dark circles because your girl not getting sleep. This is so, oh my god, I don't like this. This is gonna be so bad. I can like feel it in my bones. Like, is that enough? Is that too much? Like, I hope there's like music I can put in on iMovie because like right now it's like really silent. Okay, concealer I think is done. I can't see. Oh my god, there's a mirror like right here. I'm trying my hardest not to look because that defeats the purpose of this challenge. I'm like forgetting my steps, like genuinely. Question mark? Not gonna be like, oh, this is the Anastasia. Now there's a mirror, it's like tempting me everywhere. There's a mirror here, there's a mirror there. Oh my god. This is kind of fun, like not even gonna lie. I'll do some more. I probably look crazy. It's so pretty, I know. I try to do my outer corner. I swear I'm not looking at a mirror, I just have to like have some point of reference. And I'm not gonna like stare straight at the camera, so. Okay. Blend it together. Even though it's probably not blended right now, but I totally messed up right here. I felt myself do it. Cause I'm not gonna try to cut the crease cause that's gonna be horrifying. Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard. Oh god. I honestly can't even tell where I'm drawing on my face right now. Okay. That's my eyebrow. I did it again. Also have like extra skin on my eyelid, so it like makes it more difficult because like the amount of skin between like lid and my eyebrow is so much. I don't even want to post this. I'm gonna look horrifying. I guess this could like double as the Halloween tutorial. Actually gonna go in with my other eyeliner because that one is kind of fading. So I'll just make myself look more horrifying and pigmented. I'm gonna close the eyeshadow so I'm not tempted to look at my face. Foundation. I guess not. make sure it stays, even though I probably don't want it to. It's gonna look so bad. I do concealer again. I do it under my eyeballs. I can't see if this is going on my face, but it's fine. Tap, 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 tap. Powder, powder, powder. Not to be confused with baking. This is not baking. It's just to set it. I love this next one because it's like double-sided. Like, boop, boop. And then you just flip it around and you can draw. I'm gonna use my hands for this. Okay, that doesn't help. Oh god. We'll see how that one turned out. Okie dokie. Do some bronzer. I don't even know why I bother going, because I don't know where it is. I just did it again. This is going on the internet. Joke's on me. The white. Inner corner highlight. The brow highlight. Actual highlight. Now. Okey-doke. Mascara. Lip liner. Should almost be done. I'm dying to see myself right now. Oh god. I'm scared to look at myself in the mirror, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, that's like, ooh, that's not as terrible as I thought it was gonna. Ooh, this eyebrow's really rough. Ooh. I lined my lips too big. I gave myself too much credit. But like, all in all, like, not terrible. At least I don't look like a boy. I just look crazy. Well, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. That's what YouTubers say, I guess. I don't know. I hope you follow me on my YouTube journey. I don't know how long I'll be here, but I just hope to give you guys knowledge of makeup, even make you laugh sometimes, just give you a smile. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.